what we got here. Is the back's drop now?
Yeah, it's drop now.
Drop? Sheesh.
I can lift it in here.
Right. That's dope. Dude, that's dope. I want to do the air right too. Is that 18 or 20 inch?
18.
18. I like the bumper, but I'm not a fan of the how they do that. Yeah. I don't know why it's so hard to do like a nice roll.
A nice one.
Right. It's gonna be even better.
I had to grind this down right here. It used to come back here.
Oh, okay.
So when I lift it, see it touch right here.
Yeah. Mine messed up the.
Yeah, so I gotta get the fenders between out in April.
Here we are. Purple rain. I got the CV on. Oh, yeah. They're talking some shit about us.
Oh, yeah.
That's the marine cam, huh?
Yeah. That's marine cam,
58 injectors or 55s?
No, 58.
58s? Yeah, I have the 57, so I wanted to do the marine cam and the 58s.
Oh yeah.
Man, that's fucking... And I caught you, when you pulled from the exit,
yeah.
I got the big old crop.
Yeah.
It's pretty dope. Oh yeah. I want to steal some ideas for my head track because you see how you got that support?
Oh, yeah.
Mine is like just a thin, like quarter-inch piece of metal, and it just bounced and flexes. And I got hit a month ago in Texas. The guy, I had a tackle number 1.
Oh yeah.
And some guy in the reefer just wrecked it to tackle, flexed the whole thing.
Yeah.
And now I need to do it.
Like a week, 2 weeks ago on the other side of the trailer.
You got hit?
In Pittsburgh.
Oh,
yeah, she
shit.
ran to the side of the trailer. I mean, it didn't do, just scratched the side a little bit. Yeah, see, she hit me right there down there. The tire mark.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
And she hit right here too.
Messed up the lights too, huh?
Yeah, I got the lights there. I just gotta replace them, and this comes off. But,
Sheesh.
yeah, I just gotta take it to the shop and get that repainted. I have touch-up paint that matches the trailer perfect, but I don't know.
Yeah. How you like that 8-foot, huh? It's pretty dope.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
I want to stretch my chair to 80-foot too.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's just
everything fits, you know.
yeah, for sure. Yeah. Well, it's different than pictures, that's for sure, you
It's a
know.
working truck, man.
Yeah.
It works every day, you know.
That's what's up.
The APU, you need an APU, man.
Bro,
That's what you need right there.
I want to put my APU like probably
Back there, man.
back there, yeah.
That thing right there, like the whole, I turn it off for this weather right now. 1 heater, it's nice and hot in there. There's an idle.
Once the engine.
I'll show you the engine so you see it. I'm at a 78mm Gold Warner before, but we took it out because it's kind of laggy.
Yeah.
So now we put the stock turbo back in it now.
So stock is wait. So the exhaust housing is the difference.
Yeah, it has a bigger exhaust housing, yeah.
So it's got the 145 now, right?
Yeah.
That's what I did. I had the 132, 78 132 board, and my EGT was just skyrocketing, like 1100.
They don't go past 900.
Yeah, now I
Like
put
900, the most 900 back out a little bit.
yeah, and I put the 145, dude, 850.
Yeah.
That's what's up. So, do you have any issues with those dual revolution lights? Mine will always like flickering.
The amber ones, some of them are amber.
Are we gonna check out the engine now? inch of the ground. Same thing with the catheters as well, yeah, that's the only thing to do.
I ordered this already from Dynaflex,
because they didn't have the chip for the shop for the cover. They do not?
These are Dynaflex right here.
Okay.
Yeah. But they didn't, on these, they didn't make that one yet, so now they're trying to make it now.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, and I ordered the Dynaflex pipe also.
Two exits?
Yeah, one of those.
Hell yeah. When are you gonna go put it on?
I had it over at Dynaflex.
So they got everything set up?
They took all the measurements and everything.
I love it. That's nice. I actually have 18-inch with a nice smooth roll.
Oh yeah?
If you guys interested, I can send you pictures.
I want a taper there.
Taper? Yeah. I have the taper.
Yeah,
the 20-inch and 18.
Oh yeah, 20 to 18. I want 18 to 16.
16?
Yeah.
Okay.
I already got the headlights.
The 379? Oh yeah.
I have to start now because it's now in April. I'm going to set it in. So we can clean the house in front.
Yeah.
The chrome bezel and then the black house and headlights.
You're going to do the visor in the bezel?
Yeah, a little visor, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to do the 359 air conditioning.
Like the end of truck?
Yeah. This is all painted, but it has a 3M wrap. Everything has 3M wrap.
There's a bitch to put on.
Oh yeah.
I have the straps and they're worse. Even worse.
So we're going to do the whole school with I'm going to have to paint the visor, paint everything. But this right here, all the little shits here,
Yeah.
paint everything.
You gotta touch it up, for sure.
Before I go to the show.
Well, yeah. It is. I always have the shoulder wet on the side. And when you put offset wheels, it's just ugly, it just sticks out.
They're nice smooth, they're nice smooth. You don't feel the bumps on the road or anything.
Yeah. Try to get some roll call from Ralphy. My truck is slower, so let me try to pull up a little bit. Come on. It's just too windy today in Wyoming. It's just insane. Freaking wind. Oh, I missed it. Let's try again, Ralphy. Hold on. My truck is not 800 horsepower. Hold on. I don't know if you got a message. I told him to get some roll call. Oh, there we go. Just from windows, it's just impossible to keep it clean today because when there's a little patches of ice or snow, it just blows all the windshield.